Let's complete talking about data quality with the timeliness measurement. Timeliness evaluates how quickly data is captured, processed, and made available for us. Timeliness key performance indicators may include metrics such as data latency or adherence to data refresh schedules. Measuring timeliness in data involves assessing the freshness or currency of the data with respect to a specific time frame or event. Let's have a look at an example. You can find it in the description in my GitHub repo. I started by importing the required libraries, pandas and numpy and datetime. Then here I generated a random dataset with timestamps and values. The timestamps are randomly distributed within a given time range to simulate real-world data. Well, this is 2025 as a start time and the end time. And then we define a reference timestamp to compare the datasets timestamp to. For example, here there is a typo. I didn't update the code. And I want to compare it with the June 25th. And then we set the timeliness threshold to be 30 minutes. Data with this timestamps within 30 minutes of the reference timestamps will be considered timely. We calculate the timeliness for each record in the dataset by computing the time difference in minutes between the reference timestamp and each record's timestamp. We also create a Boolean column to indicate whether the record is timely or not. Then I calculated the average timeliness of the dataset, and here I calculated the percentage of timely records by calculating the count of timely records divided by the total records, then multiply by 100. This is the output of the results. The average timeliness is minus 23, and this is the percentage of timely records. A low average timeliness and a high percentage of timely records suggests that the dataset is current and aligns well with the reference timestamp. This is desirable in real-time applications, and here are some of applications which is important to have a timeliness to be high. For example, finance. In the financial sector, timeliness is crucial for stock trading, fraud detection. And in healthcare, it is very vital for healthcare data, particularly in patient monitoring and real-time health data analysis. And of course, in e-commerce, timely data is essential for e-commerce companies to monitor sales, customer behavior, and so on.